Okay, this is the third one, and I was gonna make 3 empty bowls, but I think I'm gonna make this a more of a mug cylinder shape, just so we can compare the swirls side by side afterwards. So just gonna throw, it'll be a bigger one than the other two, because this is a little bit more than a pound and a half of clay here. And one thing I'm thinking about as I throw these is that I would recommend, if you were to just do the brown and white, I don't think I've ever I've done this before, but I don't think I've ever fired it. I think it was just a demo. I'm gonna fire these, but I would recommend firing them in cone 10, because in the cone 6, that brown turns such a light color that I just don't think you get enough contrast. I mean, maybe it would look nice, I don't know. Maybe I'll do one in the cone 6, just to compare. It'd be good info. But I think it's so funny. Nancy McFadden cannot stand how the brown clay looks in cone 6 when it's just got the clear on it. She's like repulsed by it. I've done a couple of things where I've had the brown clay just have clear over it, and it's just her negative reaction to it is funny. She's just cannot stand it. And these two clays have the same shrinkage rate, which is why we're able to do this. We couldn't combine the brown and the porcelain, say, because the porcelain shrinks so much more than the brown that you would end up with cracks. It's very chocolate milky looking inside here, I can tell you that. Okay. Maybe I'll just leave that one straight. Okay, I'm just going to scrape off the throwing rings and the slip on the outside now. I think that looks pretty good. Looks really good. And I think this would look cool with a different color inside and on the rim, and just clear below on the two clay colors. I think that would look really cool. So let's take a look at that. Some really nice distinct markings on there. Inside it's just pretty much beige.